Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope you are doing well. My dear respected brothers and sisters, today I just wanted to share with you something very important. Just watch this video till end. Few days ago, I visited a person who ended up losing one of his feet. He was sitting on the chair, he wasn't able to walk, and he was talking to me. After visiting him, when I was coming back to home, one thing was coming in my mind, and that was, thanks Ya Rabbal Alameen for giving me this beautiful life, for giving me this beautiful hand and beautiful feet and beautiful eyes. So at least, I am able to walk, I am able to touch things, I am able to hold things, I am able to see this world. I was, only thanking Allah Almighty. And my dear respected brothers and sisters, just stand up in front of mirror for a minute, for a few seconds, and look at your body. How beautiful and how handsome and how pretty Allah Almighty has created you. We always complaining about food and money and jobs and things. I am not talking about these things. You have food or not, you have money or not, you have car or not, you have house or not. I am not talking about these things. Just look at your body, that how beautifully Allah Almighty has created you. If you have your two hands, you could touch things, you could hold things. If you have your eyes, you could see things. If you have your feet, you could walk. My dear respected brothers and sisters, this is nothing short of the blessings of Allah Almighty. How many people it have in this world, who are living their life, but they don't have their hands. They have their eyes, but they are not able to see. And it have many people, my dear respected brothers and sisters, who are not able to even walk. So my dear respected brothers and sisters, don't always, complain about food, about jobs, about house, about car, that you have too much problems, trials, troubles in your life. Don't always think about it. Think about yourself. Yes, my dear respected brothers and sisters, about yourself. Just look at your body. How beautiful Allah Almighty has created you. Doesn't it call us or invite us to be grateful or to be thankful to Allah Almighty? Yes, of course, my dear respected brothers and sisters. So we make dua, Allah Almighty grant us tawfiq to be grateful to Him, and Allah Almighty grant us tawfiq to be thankful to Him always, does not matter what the circumstances are. May Allah bless you, and thanks for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.